Bought another docking station, Wavlink this time. Seems to be pretty popular. Don't know what model it is. WL, well I'll put it on the title anyway. This one doesn't have a raise on, I don't think. It has got a switch. I do prefer a mechanical switch like that rather than a push button one for on and off. So if I'd advise you, if you get one of these, get one with that switch on. But this is pretty good. Quite cheap as well, less than 20 quid I think. So I'll just plug it in, it's already on. In fact, I'll plug the drawers in first. So this is my one I want to copy, so I'm going to put it in the source. These do fit a lot better than my other ones. I don't know what a 3.5 fits like, but these 2.5s definitely fit well. Now on the front, once you turn it on, just let it initialise itself. Then you press and hold it for 3 seconds. And now it's going to go. These blue lines build up until it's at 3/4 and then it finishes. So don't know how long it'll take, but we'll see. Right, so it's getting there. It's half done now. And as you can see, this is just moving on the last 75 to 100% mark. So ain't got long left to go. Right, it's done that, so all the lights are on. I've done about 3 now, and it's all of them have worked, so it's pretty accurate. Let's check this 3.5 inch in there, see what that looks like. Put it the right way, my own. Yeah, it's a bit loose, but well, not really a lot other it can do. Better for the 2.5s, but still, good little tool.